To all my brothers and sisters around the world, especially Nubians, mushrooms are the new meat. They are the food for the brain. Many people would not like meat without the flavour it comes with. So we are chasing the flavour, not the meat. And don't you think it's quite ironic that we kill the animals that Mother Nature created only to season them with plants that Mother Nature created? Think, we are seasoning the dead with Mother Nature. Mushrooms have no taste because Mother Nature intended for you to give them taste, just as you would flesh. Try this. Clean and chop up some oyster mushrooms. Season them with onion powder or fresh spring onions, basil, dill, sage, oregano, sea salt, thyme, key lime, and habanero if you like it spicy. You can fry or air fry them with some grapeseed oil or hemp seed oil until golden brown. This is just one out of hundreds of recipes. Check out our cookbook, Cook with Mutulu, available at eattolivenottoDie.com and mutulu.co.uk. Take care, my loves.